sige, tiraan tayo.
Tiraan tayo.
Hindi mo maintindihan kung ba't ikaw ang napapagtripan ng halik ng kamalasan. Kinapangumarahan ang hagdanan para lang makidlatan sa kaitaas-taasan. Ngunit amuda sila anya o kaibigan, isilang sa iya. Dahil wala rin mangyayari, kahit walang mapapala, huwag mong pigilan ang pagbuhos ng ulan. May panahon para maging hari, may panahon para madapa, dahil ang buhay natin ay sadyang ganyan. Ay, aking init at tutubig, umaaraw, umuulan. Ang buhay ay sadyang kanya umaaraw. Umuulan. Well, open up your man and I see like me. Open up your plenty, tell me you're free. We'll look into your heart and you'll find. Listen to the music of the moment, people dance and sing. We just one big family. This is your call, for take your right to be.
Paris ko. Look at them.
So
No more, no more. I cannot wait.
there's no need to complicate our time. An issue, this is our fate. Well, I'm yours. Oh yeah.
Thank you so much. Ha? Papanan tayo. Paris na no?